Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I am first time on Barbados and I'm gonna check their largest fast food restaurant, Chefette. Let's go.
My brother there.
Where your brother go?
Hair can't blend in with it because it's blonde, right? So I have to do it.
And you've got playground, like in McDonald's.